रुकती नहीं,
सांसें कभी थकती नहीं,
सपनों के साए के तले
दीपक की लौ बुझती नहीं,
जिंदगी कभी रुकती नहीं,
सांसें कभी थकती नहीं,
सपनों के साए के तले
दीपक की लौ बुझती नहीं,
चाहत भी है कुछ करने की,
हसरत भी है जी भरने की,
नाकामियों से डरते हैं,
उल्फत भी है जिद करने की, जिंदगी कभी रुकती नहीं, सांसें कभी थकती नहीं, सपनों के साए के तले दीपक की लौ बुझती नहीं। राहें अभी तन्हा तो क्या, संग साथ नहीं अपना तो क्या,
मन के अंधेरों को हटा, उम्मीदों का जलता दिया,
मंजिल अभी दिखती नहीं, धुंधली सी है राहें सही,
सपनों के साए के तले दीपक की लौ बुझती नहीं, दीपक की लौ बुझती नहीं।
जिंदगी कभी रुकती नहीं, सांसें कभी थकती नहीं, सपनों के साए के तले दीपक की लौ बुझती नहीं। सागर की लहरों में समा, गिरना भी है उठना भी है,
गहराइयों का डर नहीं, मोती सा बन चमकना भी है,
तूफान से डरना ही नहीं, उम्मीदों से लड़ना ही सही,
सपनों के साए के तले
दीपक की लौ बुझती नहीं।
जिंदगी कभी रुकती नहीं, सांसें कभी थकती नहीं, सपनों के साए के तले दीपक की लौ बुझती नहीं, चाहत भी है कुछ करने की, हसरत भी है जी भरने की, नाकामियों से डरते हैं, उल्फत भी है जिद करने की, जिंदगी कभी रुकती नहीं, सांसें कभी थकती नहीं, सपनों के साए के तले दीपक की लौ बुझती नहीं।
Nobel laureate Professor C.V. Raman, after retirement, wished to open a research institute in Bangalore. He gave an advertisement in newspaper for recruiting 3 physicists. Lot of scientists applied for the post. In the preliminary selection, 5 candidates were selected, and the final interview was taken by Professor C.V. Raman himself to select 3 out of 5 candidates. Next day, Professor Raman found one man waiting to meet him. He realized that it was the same man who was not selected. Professor asked him what was the problem. He replied that after the interview he was paid the travel fare but he got 7 rupees extra than the actual fare. Because it was not right for him to accept the money which did not belong to him, he wanted to return it back. Professor C.V. Raman took the money and asked the young man to meet him the next day at 10:30 a.m. Next day, Professor C.V. Raman told the young man, "Son, you have failed in the physics test, but you have passed the honesty test. So I have created another post for you." This young man later on became a Nobel laureate in 1983. His name was Professor Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. So my dear students, be honest in your behavior, studies and the responsibility given to you. It will boost up your self-confidence, make your life happy and peaceful. Be focused and stay safe. On behalf of management, teachers and non-teaching staff, I wish you all a happy Children's Day. God bless you. Thank you.
Respected Principal, Reverend Father Rajiv C. Varghese, my fellows, committee members, respected teachers and my dear children. Warm greetings to all of you on this happy occasion of Children's Day. You children are the valuable asset of the nation as well as future and hope of tomorrow. Childhood is a special phase of life and you all should live life to the fullest during this time. This year, unfortunately, we are facing an acute crisis of COVID. Of course, we do understand that our children are facing problems academically during this tough time, and teachers are taking extra efforts to pull off the online classes with the least problems. Let us look at the bright side of the tunnel. We will overcome this crisis very soon and we are all in this together. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day and wish you the best for your future endeavors. Stay safe everyone. May God bless you all. Thank you.